tropical fruit garden. I'm starting to grow stuff for my farm as well. Opening a farm, rental for holiday rental farm. This one's a resort, but basically we make a nice fruit garden and lots of nice flowers. All sorts of stuff grow here, and aloe vera, chilies, red chilies. A good mixture. But it's so nice, you know, to live in the country. We're 25 minutes from Udonthani, and people say it's far from Udonthani. It's crazy people. Australians travel maybe 2 or 3 hours to work. Some people travel thousands of miles to work on aeroplanes. Some more nice flowers, But down here we've got 1-bedroom villas for 599 baht a day, and 2-bedroom villas for 950 baht a day for 4 people. 2 kitchens, inside kitchen and outside kitchen, and barbecue area. But really nice. You can lie around the pool. There's toilets or showers, and the pool. That's the 2-bedroom villa. The 1-bedroom villa today, people's in it. The 2-bedroom villa, people was in for 2 months. Just moved out yesterday, so they will stay there for 2 months. Do you want to have a look inside it? Are you nosy? You want to see inside a 2-bedroom villa? Okay, doc, let's show you. You've got here seating area, and like I said, it's a tropical fruit garden. Fruit and really nice flowers and fruit. And the bedroom's got a patio door leading out to the sit outside. The daytime there's a bit of traffic going to Ampher phen, but night time's very quiet. Just like every big city, people are heading into the city now to Udonthani. What do you think then, Lovely, You can sit here and have a beer or just relax, and then inside's a big living room. Good sized living room anyway, and smart TV. Lots of tables and chairs, that's for sure. There's 3 altogether. And here's the bedroom, air conditioned, and it takes you out to the patio doors into the garden. The pool's only, like I say, 5 metres from this house, so it's alright. That's the 2nd bedroom, and it's the same again, nice size. And same again, you can go right out the patio door and right into the garden. And brilliant, because you can sit here, and you can bring your car up the back and park. There's a car park there as well. And here you can cook. If you like cooking, on you go. Microwave or the gas cooker. I'll get the people to tidy the dishes. The boys just went away, so today we're just cleaning it. And then that's the washing machine. Then in here's the single kitchen, just maybe for tea, coffee, microwave, wee oven, stuff like that. Fridge, freezer. But only 950 baht a day for 4 people. It's just like under 250 baht a person. Very good. We paid 9,000 baht a day in Phuket just for 1 room with a pool, plus 1,250 baht for an extra bed for my daughter. Crazy. But this is beautiful. And when you come out the villa, you can sit here, and 20 metres away. Oh my good, look at my lemons. Oh my good, look how many there is. There's private parking over here. But look at the fruit. People spend a lot of money to buy that. Look how much there is. Wow. Okay, dog, I'll have to pick them. So many lemons, This house as well is alright for if you've got a small dog, because it's got locked gates, so you can keep the dog in the back garden and no problems. Here is alright, beautiful, and the big trees shade the sun from you, which is really nice. Okay, doke. The 1-bedroom smaller, only about 45 square metres, but that's 599 baht a day. Or if you take it for a week, you can have it for 500 baht a day. So what do you think? The resort's definitely worth a visit to see what it's like and see if you enjoy it. The city's full, you know, it's polluted and open sewers. People don't understand that. If you go to the back of the bars, all open sewers and mosquitoes and loads of rats and stuff like that running about. Here's so beautiful. It's worth the 25 minutes in a car to come out and have a look and see how nice it is. And you can stay for the weekend. Come on a Saturday, Sunday and go home Monday. But once you've come once, you want to come back again. Loads of repeat customers, loads and loads and loads. The boy in this one, he comes for 2 months, 3 times a year. Is it good? Okay doke, so Leah Resort, Udonthani. Beautiful. Come for a visit and see what you think. It's a lot of work to look after it. We spend a lot of time looking after the resort. Okay doke, bye bye for now.